So until we receive the new 5230 Trumpf brake press, we have to build this tank assembly in two pieces. You take a chance when you build the two pieces for leaks, weld incorrect, weld quality not correct. So what we have done now with the 5230, we have converted this into one full piece, eliminating rejects from the weld, possible leakage, the two tanks get together, and also squareness from one end to the other end. So when we form this part, we stick it in. This machine has a ACB laser. What the ACB laser is basically it's a protractor on the machine. It forms the part up. After it forms the part up, it will scan the whole entire part and it will measure what the angle is. For instance, this should have been a 90-degree angle. When it first measured it, it was roughly an 88-degree angle, but the machine measured the spring back, went back, hit it a second time without us picking the part out, and now we have a true 90 from one point to the next. The result for the customer is you have higher quality production.